What if a single HVAC mistake could cost your food processing plant lakhs or even crores every year? It's a reality for many. For food processing facilities with project investments between 15 crore rupees and 30 crore rupees, HVAC is far more than just a comfort system. A mistake in HVAC design directly impacts food safety, product quality, regulatory compliance, and your overall profitability. Yet many plants still treat HVAC as a secondary utility rather than the process-critical infrastructure that it is. Ignoring HVAC design principles leads to a cascade of expensive problems in your operations. The result is uncontrolled humidity, condensation on ceilings and equipment, and disruptive temperature fluctuations. These issues lead to cross-contamination risks, failed quality audits, product rejections, and escalating energy bills. Let's consider a common scenario in a frozen food plant to illustrate the impact. When a loading dock door opens, warm, humid air rushes in, creating condensation. This causes wet floors, microbial growth, and packaging failures. Crucially, these problems are often not due to equipment failure, but poor engineering decisions made at the initial design stage. Let's look at the most common and costly HVAC mistakes we see in food processing facilities. Mistakes include ignoring HACCP-based airflow zoning and undersizing dehumidification systems, which are essential for product integrity. Another critical failure is not maintaining proper pressure cascades and overlooking energy recovery opportunities that can slash your operating costs. To ensure food safety and profitability, you must implement strategic climate control principles. Air must always move from cleaner, more critical zones toward less critical areas to actively prevent cross-contamination risks. Humidity needs active control to prevent condensation, and pressure differentials must be strategically engineered to protect sensitive processing zones. When these principles are correctly implemented, the benefits for food manufacturers are immense. You'll benefit from improved food safety, enhanced audit readiness, and significantly lower utility expenses. This also translates to a stronger return on investment, reduced product wastage, and longer equipment life. Before starting your next project, plant owners and engineering teams must avoid these common pitfalls. Never select HVAC contractors solely on price, and ensure you never ignore process-specific environmental requirements. Don't skip essential airflow analysis, overlook future expansion, or fail to validate your system performance after installation. View HVAC as a strategic business asset.